So what is the given word? Victory. So write down V I C T O R and Y. Okay, and then create number lines. So these numbers indicates the position of the word according to alphabetical order. So let us count that starting from A, B, A is not there, B is not there, C is there. So give number 1 to C. D, E, F, G, H, I. So 2. I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Okay, O is there. 3. M, N, O, P, Q, R is 4. P, Q, R, S, T. T is there. 5. U, V. So V 6 and at last 7. Okay, after giving the numbers to the letters of the given word, next we will count the smallest numbers which are exist in the right side of every number. So first we will count for 6. How many smaller numbers is there? 2 is smaller than 6. 1 is smaller than 6, 5 is smaller than 6, 3 is smaller than 6, 4 is also smaller than 6, but 7 is not smaller than 6. So how many numbers? 5. So write 5 here. Next we will count for 2 smallest numbers. Always you should count on the right side. Do not move to left side. Okay. So count right side only. So 1 is smaller than 2. 5 is not smaller than 2. 3 is not smaller than 2. 4 number is not smaller than 2. And 7 is also not smaller than 2. So only one number is valid. So write down 1 for 2. Next, moving to 1. And we know that there is no smaller than 1. So make it 0. And next, moving to 5. So 3 is smaller than 5. 4 is smaller than 5. And 7 is not smaller than 5. So 2 numbers are valid. So write down 2 for 5. Next, 3, clearly it will be visible to you. 4 is not smaller than 3. Okay, make it 0. And for 4, it is not smaller than. And there is no numbers for 7 on the right side. So make it 0. Okay. This is what? Quotient line. These are numbers are multiplied with some other numbers. Okay. We are using these numbers. So as a next row, what you have to write, start from the right end, write down 0 factorial. Don't start with left end, only right end you should start. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, gradually increase the number, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, and 6 factorial. These 2 rows we are going to use to create or count the rank of the given word. Okay. So you should multiply these 2 numbers together like this. 5 into 6 factorial plus 1 into 5 factorial plus 0 into 4 factorial plus 2 into 3 factorial plus, okay, these 2 numbers I am together multiplying, and externally I am adding all the numbers. So 0 into 2 factorial next plus 0 into 1 factorial plus 0 into 0 factorial, and at last I am adding 1. For every problem on ranking problem, you should, for using this shortcut, you should add this 1 at last. Okay. So using this shortcut, what we are doing before words we are counting, and itself victory we are adding as 1. So now counting these numbers. How much is 6 factorial? 720. Okay, 720 is multiplied by 5. So 5 into 720. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10, 1 in your mind, 35, 36. So 3600. 5 factorial means 120 into 1, 120. 0 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial we know 24, but multiplied by 0 itself 0. So 2 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6, 6 twos are 12. And again 0 into 2 factorial 0, 0 into 1 factorial 0, 0 into 0 factorial 0, and last one. So 120 is added to 3600. It will be 3720. And last 12 and 1 added together, it is 13. So if 13 is added to 20, then it will be 33. So 3733 is the answer of this question, rank of the word.